That's why it's not good to stop sometimes. This light should just stay because hello YouTube, notify my people, guys. You guys, welcome back to our live stream. Hey God, I just pray that. Hey guys, welcome back to our live stream, our regular live stream. Guys, it's been a while. Yeah, I told you guys that I was going to come back after my exam and all. I just need some time to, take care of myself. I say take care attend to my exams and so that I will not fail. So I've really missed you guys. I've missed every one of you. I just hope that you guys will just come on here. Please, YouTube, notify my people. Let them come, let them come, let them come. Because I need you guys back. Hey, this is like how many minutes now? 2 minutes. And nobody is here yet. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is happening? I feel like I've lost my people. Jesus. Yo, please, you guys. YouTube, please notify my people. Notify every one of them. Notify my people. YouTube, notify my people. We are back. And this time around, what's this? And this time around, we are just going to be, hey, welcome to my live stream. Hey God, waiting I do these things. All these flies. Hey, please don't leave me. I'm just trying to keep you so that at least you can stay here, so that other people can join and stay. Please, y'all. Hi, if you're just joining, welcome to my live stream. How are you doing today? And where are you streaming from? Drop in the comments where you're streaming from. All my people, what's in they happen now? What's in they happen? Kilo shelle. I will smack this thing. Kilo shelle. Organisi. YouTube. Kilo shelle. Hey God, this is why it's not good to just ghost your social media accounts, because people are just going to just stop coming back. Oh my God, this thing I want to do for this live today. Hey guys, welcome. If you're just joining, welcome. How are you guys doing today? Drop in the please guys, I beg you, please double tap this screen, double tap your screen so that YouTube will notify other people that I'm live. You guys, please double tap. If you're just joining, welcome. Thanks for joining. Make sure you're double tapping on your screen. Just give this live a like, please. Give it a like. Give it a like. Give it a like. Hey God.